Hello everybody, welcome to our first class of English 1. Do you think you don't know English? You are in a mistake. In this one, we are going to see some international words that everybody knows. I'm sure that at the end of this session, you will be able to recognize that you use English language every day. So let's start working. Can you tell me what word is this? What is this? Listen, please. Bang, correct. Okay, one more time for you to practice. One more time. Correct. Look at the second picture. Do you know this word? Of course you know. Excellent. That is the word. Bus. One more time. Excellent. Let's go to the third picture. What is this? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. You said this. Cafe. That's right. This is the word. One more time. Excellent. And what about this one? You go there on Saturdays and Sundays. Yes, very good. The word is excellent. Let's movie theater. That's the word. And look at this picture. Delicious in the afternoon. Yes, you're right. What is this? Coffee. One more time, repeat, so we practice our pronunciation. Coffee. Here is the word coffee. Let's go with the next one. What is this? Perfect. You know this word. Tablet. Here you have the word tablet. Let's practice with one more. What is this? Excellent. What is this? Hotel. Here you have the word hotel. And what about this one that everybody uses? Listen. Phone. That's right. Phone. One more. What do you take with your phone? Photo. Yes, that is the word, photo. What about this one? A place to eat delicious food? Restaurant. Correct, restaurant. One more. Delicious also. What is this? Sandwich. Yes, one more time for everybody to practice. Sandwich. And this one that you take when you are in a hurry? Taxi. Here you have the word. Excellent. So we have practiced many words. Look at this picture. In these pictures you can see all the words we have practiced. Bank, bus, cafe, movie theater, coffee, tablet, hotel, phone, photo, restaurant, sandwich, taxi. Look at the picture and you have here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So listen and match. So now, check your answers. Here you have restaurant, number 1. For number 2, phone. Number 3, cafe. Number 4, coffee. Number 5, sandwich. Number 6, phone, photo. Number 7, movie theater. Number 8, bus. Number 9, tablet. Number 10, taxi. Number 11, hotel. And number 12, bank. It's your turn for a second exercise. Look at the pictures and write the correct words here. Here you have the first letter for each word. Okay? Bus is the first one. 3 minutes for you to do that. Okay, let's check your answers now. For number 1, bus. Number 2, taxi. Number 3, coffee. Number 4, sandwich. Number 5, restaurant. Number 6, tablet. Number 7, phone. And number 8, photo. Excellent. Very good job. So now it's your turn. Okay? What other words do you know in English? Make a list in a Word file and upload it in Canvas in assignments. Don't forget. Just to finish our class, what did we learn today? Very good. We talked about international words. Was it easy or difficult? I think it was an easy topic. Thank you very much for your participation in this class. Please don't forget to study these words and see you in our next